Today we will discuss NETSC 3B, which is maintain and manage a variety of digital tools and resources for teacher and student use in technology-rich learning environments. And of the suggested assignments to complete, I did an evaluation of various tools. So first, I opened up a free account with participate.com, which allows various users to go in and collaborate or review different educational tools. Within my collection, I have evaluated over 17 tools where students and even other fellow educators can come in and read over quick information about a various app or programs that they want to use that they may not know so much about and may not have ever heard of, that they can eventually use in their classroom to allow more engagement and overall better retention and academic success in their classroom. Um, Various things that I implemented within my reviews would be if the item was free, or if it required a subscription at some point. For instance, Socrative has a free and a paid option. Of course, you get more access and more things that you can do to customize your assignments if you go for the paid version. Kahoot, it's a web-based tool that usually pretty much engages the class. It's a quick review or an assessment so you can understand more as you're going throughout your lesson if the children are really grasping on to the concept like they should. As stated before, I did a total of 17 um, reviews. This one is Play to Prep, ACT, SAT, Math, English Prep, um, see at Moto, just various things that teachers can look at to gauge whether if this app is best for their class. And if so, what steps do they need to take and how well did a fellow educator approve of it.